What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the Parrots and the Cockatoos honor. Before we go to the first question, just remember if you are following along to earn the honor, all you gotta do is copy what's in green or highlighted in green. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And let's get into it. Number 1. Name 15 parrots and 5 cockatoos that are common in Australia. Part 1 is parrots. What's this parrot? It's a long-billed corella. And this one. What's this one? It's an orange-bellied parrot. What about this parrot? Look at the green color. It's a eclatus parrot. This is the male form. What about this parrot? This is the female side of the eclatus parrot. Now, what about this parrot? It's in its little cage. That means it's a domestic bird or parrot, and it's a turquoise parrot. Now, this one's a little creepy because of the eye. But this parrot is a red shining parrot. What about this one? Sorry that it's a little blurry. It's a rock parrot. What's this parrot? It's a double-eyed fake parrot. How about this one? That's right, it's an Australian ringneck. What about this parrot? It's an Australian king parrot. And no, it's not the king of Australia. How about this one? That's right, it's a red-rummed parrot. I know the bottoms aren't really red. What about this parrot? Correct, it's a western rosalia. Ooh, how about this one? This one's cool. That's correct, it's a crimson rosalia. There are lots of types of rosalia parrots in Australia. What's this parrot? It kind of looks more like a vulture than a parrot, but it's the northern rosalia. How about this one? What's this bird? Got a red top, yellow, green, blue, and it's a red-capped parrot, rightfully named. And now we're on to the cockatoos. What's this cockatoo? It's a palm cockatoo, which I guess is because of its frills up here. What about this one? Correct, it's a gang cockatoo. How about this one? If you ever watched the movie Rio, this cockatoo makes an makes an appearance as one of the bad guys. And it's an umbrella cockatoo. How about this cockatoo? And this one's the answer for a later question. It's the Major Mitchell's cockatoo. What about this cockatoo? It's a sulfur crusted cockatoo. Number 2. Name 2 species of parrot that builds its nest in a termite mound and tell where each is found. Number 1 is the golden shouldered parrot. And it lives in Queensland, Australia. And these are actually one of the endangered parrots. Number 2 of this question is the green-rumped parrotlet. It lives in South America. Number 3. Where in Australia would you find each of the following and describe the natural diet of each? Long-billed Corellia. Location is Australia. The natural diet of a long-billed Corellia is roots, seeds, corms, and insects. The next one is Great Palm Cockatoo. The location is New Guinea. And yes, that's how you spell New Guinea. I checked. The natural diet of a great palm cockatoo is fruit, nuts, berries, seeds, and leaf buds. The Gang cockatoo. Location, Australia. Natural diet, fruits, hawthorns, and berries. Hawthorn berries. Number 4. Which 3 species of cockatoo are known as the most rare? The first one is red-vented cockatoo. The second, Moluccan cockatoo. And the last one is the yellow-crested cockatoo. Which is the largest species in the Rosalia family? Where does it come from, and what is its usual food? Largest species in the Rosalia family is the green Rosalia and the Tasmanian Rosalia. Where it comes from and what its usual food is. It comes from Tasmania. It eats seeds, fruits, and berries. Number 6. Every state of Australia has a Rosalia that is common to that state. Some are found in more than one state, but there is one that is commonly associated with your state. Which is it? So, I live in Maryland, in America. So this honor was created for people who live in Australia. So we're going to write down the name of the Rosalia in the state closest to us. But if you live in Australia or a country close to Australia, you can do the research and then write it down. I did the closest one to us, which was in the western part of Australia, so it's the western Rosalia. Number 7. When the Eclectus parrot was first found it was thought that the male and female were of different species. Why was it this? Where are they found, and what is their usual diet? It is unusual in the parrot family. The males and females are so different from one another. The location and usual diet is uh, on the Solomon Islands, the Maluku Islands, and it eats fruits, unripe nuts, seeds, and buds from flowers and leaves. Number 8. Why Australian cockatoo is regarded as the most beautiful in the world? Describe what it looks like and where it is found. We actually went over this when we discussed it earlier. It's the major Mitchell's cockatoo. The looks are soft textured white and salmon pink plumage, large bright red and yellow crest. They are found in the western, northern, South Queensland and New South Australia. Number 9. Name 4 different lorikeets and tell why they all have brushed tongues. Number 1. Black-winged lory. For breeding on nectar and soft fruit. And this is a black-winged lory. Olive-headed lorikeet. Same answer for breeding on nectar and soft fruit. Same answer for the yellow-streaked lory. The musk lorikeet has the brush tongue to be able to feed on pollen, nectar, and fruit. Number 10. Be able to describe the nest of the 4 lorikeets we learned about, and tell the color of the egg. The musk lorikeet. The nest is hollow branches and holes in living eucalyptus, often near watercourses. The egg color is white. The olive-headed lorikeet nests in lowland primary forests, savanna growths, plantations, and agricultural cultivated areas, and the egg color is white. Yellow-streaked lory nests in tree holes, and the egg color is also white. The black-winged lory nests in holes in trees, and the egg color, once again, is white. Number 11. Make a list of all the parrots and the cockatoos that are common to your area. I actually did the parrots and cockatoos that live on Solomon Island, because I couldn't find anything about parrots and cockatoos in Maryland. So for parrots, we got the Biak red-sided eclectus parrot, Bougainville pygmy parrot, Cardiano lories or glossy lories, coconut and or Masanias lories, Duchess lorikeets, flinch pygmy parrots, and for cockatoos, we got the Ducorp's cockatoo, also known as the Solomon's cockatoo. And that is it for the Parrots and Cockatoos honor. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next time.